Hi, welcome to English 1452, Composition 1. This is a 5-week course that ends Friday, November 15th. The first thing you need to do is familiarize yourself with the syllabus that gives you the breakdown of what's due each week in your course. Of course, to listen to the instructor welcome and to read the instructor welcome email or letter. And then you need to post your initial post by Wednesday of this week to be counted present in class. Each week, you need to respond to the discussion post and or either post your assignments by Wednesday, and that counts you as present in class. All of your responses to your discussions and your assignments are due by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. In this class, you will identify stages of the writing process. You will develop essay topics. You will learn how to develop sentences. You will learn how to develop paragraphs. Then you will learn how to put together a whole essay and have it flow. You will also learn information about punctuation and spelling, capitalization. So you're basically going to learn how to write. And how do you do that? By writing frequently, practicing. So each week you will have a writing assignment. Now, I want to talk to you a little bit about grades. This course is worth 1,000 points. So you need to have at least 700 points, a 70%, to pass this class, which means you can't afford to miss any assignments, right? And if you do miss some assignments, please take the opportunity that I give during the term to make up those assignments. Please be present in each of your discussion board questions. Watch the videos and answer the discussion questions. Okay? Your assignments are worth 600 points and your discussions is worth 400 points. So you need to participate in both to get to that 700 point and to pass the class. If you have any questions or any concerns, or if you need any writing assistance or writing tutoring, please feel free to call me or text me, email me, and we can set up a time where I can help you with your writing. This class is to help you improve your writing skills. It's not to be hard or, make it where you think you can't write. It's to help you improve. And so I'm here to guide you through the writing process and to help you develop good papers. My number is 214-606-6541. I will also be frequently communicating with you through an app called the Remind app. That's how I communicate a lot with my students. So be sure that you accept the Remind offer that comes when I set up my Remind, and you will receive text from me. You can also directly text me if you have questions, or you can call me or email me. Again, if you have any questions or you have anything that you need during this class time, please do not hesitate to contact me. Again, welcome to class. I know that we're going to have a great time. I love writing. I've written 2 children's books. I've written a novel with some other women. So I'm pretty familiar with the writing process, and I'm excited to share my knowledge with you. And I look forward to having class with you. Have a good week.